Yes, very warm welcome to all of my students of TY. So I am now introducing our open elective for the civil engineering department, which is so the open elective is air and noise pollution control with the course code of CE 606. And this is a very important course even for the other branch students, especially mechanical and electrical, and also under the computer system also, because lot of programming is also need to be inducted if a computer engineer is available for programming purpose. Now this the noise and pollution control, the course content, before we go for the course content, teaching scheme is like this, which we are having 3 hours of lecture per week, and examination scheme is 10 marks each for CA1 and CA2. We have mid-semester examination of 30 marks and end semester exam of 50 marks. Now the course content includes the introduction with the for the air pollution under unit 1, so which obviously is going to explain regarding the atmosphere, structure and composition of the atmosphere, because air pollution is always going under the structure and composition of the atmosphere, so which is the main we can say the source where it is accumulated. All air pollution source is going to be accumulated in the atmosphere only, which we are in also. And what is air pollution, that also it is defined in the under the unit 1 sources, which are the point sources and non-point sources, and the what are the types of air pollutants, just like right from beginning of the particulate matter, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, so all these things, and these are the things which are generally generating the air pollution. Then we also should know the quality of the air. So for this nowadays you must be knowing, in case of the metro cities just like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune and all, so they are becoming highly polluted with respect to the air, and even the breathing has become difficult sometimes, especially in Delhi during the winter season. Now, so it is very important that we monitor the quality of the air which we are breathing in. So how we are going to monitor it, what are the units of measurement of air pollution, and we are also trying to understand certain words regarding the control of the air pollution, that is the study of settling chambers, and what is the high volume air sampler, which is a main instrument in monitoring the different parameters of the air quality. And also we are trying to touch upon the topic of air quality index, how we are finding out the water quality index. In the same manner we are trying to find out air quality index. So by understanding the air quality index, we will come to know whether the air is the feasible or fit for the human being to inhale or to breathe. So that is the air quality index, which is definitely an useful parameter for the quality of the air in the atmosphere. And also we are going to understand the effect of air pollutant. So what is the effects of air pollution on human being, especially the health of the human being is going to be affected, and you know we may be suffering from lot of diseases, especially which are connected to our the breathing system, so which are just like bronchitis and other things, which are mainly because of the air pollution. Vegetation is also affected, because of the air pollution. Animals are also affected. Acid rain is mainly because of the air pollution. When the sulfur dioxide content increases in the atmosphere because of the emissions of industrial emissions as well as the fossil fuel burning, just like coal and other things. So obviously the sulfur dioxide will be increased in the atmosphere, and when this is mixed with the downfall of the rain, so we get the acidic rain instead of the normal rain. Global warming is another hot topic which need to be understood. Climatic change and greenhouse effect and ozone layer depletion, which is already become a very debatable topic nowadays, and air pollution episodes, different types, where it has already happened in certain areas of the globe. So just like London smog has happened and Bhopal gas tragedy, to name few. The fourth unit consists of air pollution control strategies in India, how we are going to control the air pollution. The point source we are trying to establish, or we are trying to put certain pollution control equipments, just like electrostatic precipitator, settling chambers, and many more like that. And also we can control by increasing the stack height of the industries and any other the methods which we can control the air pollution. Then in the fifth one, we are touching on the noise pollution. What is noise pollution? So how it is going to happen, and what are its sources, types of the noise, and the effect of noise on the human health and the wildlife. Already the Indian government has come up with a lot of the acts which will control both noise as well as the air pollution, especially in the industrial area. So the noise is also one of the biggest pollution, where it can harm the human health, especially where the noisy industries are generated or situated. So it will also affect the wildlife if there is any nearby wildlife sanctuary or some forest area. So we need to control the noise which is generated by any type of the source. So we are touching also on the noise industrial, that is the noise that is generated in the industrial area and how it is going to affect the human health. We are also going to study on noise pollution and control regulation, which is come into effect from 2020 in India. So this is a more important topic where we need to understand the Indian Government Act, which controls the noise as well as air pollution. Now, it is not the role of only the civil engineer who is going to study regarding the air pollution and also the control, but more importantly, the role of mechanical as well as electrical and electronic engineers is also very much appreciated, especially in the control equipments that are designed. So this is a very important part, because interdisciplinary persons or the engineers from different fields are required to work together as a team, so to control the air pollution. So the process designing and new innovative technology, especially for the automotive sector, and also the other heavy equipments, just like a JCB or a bulldozer or the dumpers, where the civil engineering applications are there, but role of mechanical engineer is also very much appreciated in this. So their participation or their involvement in controlling the air pollution cannot be ruled out. Electrical engineer is also he has also the important role to play as equal to that of our mechanical engineer. So wherein we are going to design many advanced equipments to control the air pollution, just like an electrical engineer can design a high voltage engineering application which we call it as electrostatic precipitator in controlling the air pollution by means of the industries, which is to be attached to the stack of the industrial the emissions. So here the electrical engineer is also going to play a very important role in mitigating the air pollution. And also the electronics are also playing a major role, as I told earlier, and the role of electrical, electronics, mechanical and also the computer engineers is very important in controlling the air pollution. So all in all, it's a very interesting and important course that is to be learnt, that is to be very much appreciated by the students of coming from different fields. So that will give you an idea, and or also we are going to design the study how to design the control equipments, and also we are going to study how we can assess the different pollution sources and also come up with certain what you see the models under the air pollution. So just like Gaussian equation or the Gaussian model which we are having, so to just to showcase the nature of the air pollution in a particular area. So all this will give you an idea how the air pollution is going to be generated, and also if we know the source of pollution, and definitely we can design some of the things which will control or minimize this air pollution. And for that it is very important that we take the help of electrical, mechanical, electronics and computer science engineers as well. And also from other parts, even the AIDS people can also design the robots and other things which will work as the controlling the in the air pollution. And so all in all, it is a very good and interesting course for the students from the different branches. So they can opt for this, and we have the competent staff which can make you very much knowledgeable and make you to understand the core things which are part of the course here. And definitely I look forward to welcome many of the students of other branches to our department to study this open elective. And thank you very much. Thanks one and all. Thanks a lot.